Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I want to unbox this Aguei portable power supply for you guys that I picked up on Amazon because we've had so many power outages because of like windstorms and rainstorms and stuff like that have blown by. We've lost power several times and we're really tired of having to charge little power bricks that can only charge our cell phone a few times and then it's dead and then we're in the dark again. So this is 110 milliamp hours super capacity, and this is basically a portable generator and it's silent. It's not like the ones where you pour in gasoline or propane and you have to leave it outside your house to run because it's so loud and it gives out toxic fumes. This is something that you can take with you as you're traveling, use it indoors, in an RV or anything like that, or any emergency situation, and it's just fine. This goes for $400 on Amazon, so make sure if you're interested to check it out. And let me just go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what it's like. And I did choose this one because it has like one of the highest capacities that I've seen on Amazon, with a lot of options in terms of connectivity. And it's not too heavy, it's under 10 pounds. Let's take everything out. You can see it's very well packed from the manufacturer. And something with this much capacity, it does take time to charge. So if you have, it will take you around 9 hours to fully charge this back up. But here it is. It doesn't look that big, right? Like the box is big, but look at this. This is very stylish looking. And it has a functional handle right here that kind of goes down a little bit when you're not using it, or comes back up when you lift it up. It's very nice. And the model number is G518, and this is 110,000 milliamp hours. You know how many of those little batteries you have to put together to get 110,000 milliamp hours? They're usually like around 10,000. This is 110,000. This is 11 times more than the typical power bank. And this is rated at 400 watts maximum capacity at a time. However, that is on the conservative side. If you read the page on Amazon in detail, you will see that the manufacturer has said it actually is 500 watts, but they just want to be conservative. So you're paying for a 400 watt power supply here that can actually do up to 500 watts. So regardless of how many you plug in at a time, just make sure you're under 500 watts and that's fine. Use whatever you want, okay? And so it's simple, like one button operation to enable any of these ports. So the DC out, I just hit it and this light went on right here. And to power these on, there's USB-C power delivery, 45 watts. There's quick charge USB right here, and another USB right here. And you have 4 DC 12 volt outputs right here, which is very common. You just hit this button right here to turn that on. Or if you want the AC outlets on the side, you hit this button right here, okay? And let me just tell you that there is a display. I'll try to get it in frame, but it's hard to see with all my lighting, but it says there's 60% capacity and DC out is enabled. Hopefully you can see that. There's the AC. There's also 2 flashlights which is controlled with this button right here. You hit it once and it does this. You hit it again, it goes into like a different mode. You hit it again and it's like another mode. This is like a SOS mode. And here's another one, faster, and then you hit it again and it goes off. So very easy to use. So I've got a MacBook 13-inch right here, MacBook Pro. Sorry for the mess, but I'll just put that here. And let me plug this into the side, just like that. And then I'll plug it into my MacBook right here. Okay, I'm holding down this button. AC out is on. But you can see that it is indeed being charged. That's all coming from this wire to this. So this one for AC out, you do have to long press. And it does say AC out right there. Yeah, maybe you can see it a little better like this. So that's what it looks like. So that was super simple. And there's the USB-C You hit that button to turn it on. And you can see again, it says it's charging through the USB by itself. And you can see once again that it's charging, and this time it's charging through USB-C power delivery right over here. Very simple to use, and it just works. Anyone can operate this without any instructions. I didn't even look at the instruction manual. That's how easy it was. Let me plug in this. And you can see now I'm charging my phone as well. So again, this is very simple. You can go on and on with all of these because there's so many connectivity options. But let's recap again. There's a power delivery 45 watt USB-C port right there. There's 3 USB-A ports right there. One of them is a quick charge 3. 4 DC 12s, 2 ACs ports right here. And 2 flashlights right there. There's also a fan on this side. There's a fan here on this side that kicks on to keep this unit cool. And there's the input for you to charge back this device. So very nice, stylish looking. And let's take a look at these boxes before we end the video. But this thing has all kinds of like overcharge protection, so you don't have to worry about that stuff. You can see right here that there's all types of adapters right here and recharging cables, a cigarette light adapter as well. Here is the power brick. And here's the power brick right here that goes with this to recharge the unit. So everything is very straightforward, but if you're unsure of anything, there is a manual. Here are the specifications if anybody would like to pause and take a look at the specs and the display details. Okay, so check this out. I think this is a very great unit. I'm really happy to add this to my collection because of all the constant power outages and the need for electronic devices in my household. So something like this with this type of capacity and wattage is perfect, and I can't wait to charge this baby up and have it ready for our next storm or power outage, or when we go camping, we can use this to power up things throughout the night. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.